How to target US audience on Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can easily target a US audience on Shopify. First, define your target audience by understanding your products, analyzing existing customer profiles, and researching competitors. Identify who benefits from your products. Next, determine where your audience is active online and offline, such as specific social media platforms or industry blogs. Then create content relevant to their needs, including blog posts, social media updates, and ads. Use data to guide your content creation. After that, use targeted advertising on platforms like Google Ads and social media, focusing on demographics and interests. Consider partnering with influencers who can promote your brand to their engaged audience. Create a referral program to encourage your existing customers to recommend your products, offering incentives like discounts. Use trending hashtags on social media to reach a broader audience interested in your niche. Finally, stay connected with your audience through email newsletters and regular social media engagement.